He's got a
See if he uses his
carrots.
Whoops.
Whoops.
There's
Carrots.
a four-legged thing down here that wants something.
Oh, oops. You like cucumber?
Here's your spoon.
You're throwing your food.
Joseph, here's
No
your
throwing
spoon.
food. Joseph, no throwing food, baby.
No, Joseph.
I'm gonna take it. I'm
Oh,
gonna take
I
it
put him in
away.
a silly mood.
Not,
Oh well.
Not for throwing.
No throwing,
No,
okay? You
can't
have to
do that.
eat it.
Yeah, we not
No.
for
You all
throwing.
done?
Give him a bone to chew on.
Yeah.
Oh.
He actually could. There's
Want to
nothing
chew on the
no
bone,
throwing.
Joseph? Joseph, you want the bone? You can chew on that.
Yummy.
See if he picks it up.
Be a puppy dog. Yeah, puppy dog.
Charlie will be jealous of that.
So how's your mother doing?
She's doing okay.
Yep, there it goes. Chewing on the bone, Martha.
He might, see, he might like
Like
it.
a caveman.
Holding her own.
No change, no big changes.
That's good.
No.
Yes.
Good.
Well, she's getting, what did your sister say? We got to call her after because her sister went on vacation, so she's lonely. But we're going to go down next weekend, right?
Yeah.
'Cause,
See? Grandpa, see how big
I don't
that
want to
big
leave her
eater
alone for
is?
2 weeks.
Oh, look at that, huh?
He's a big eater. We're going to eat a
Yeah.
whole
Oh,
dinosaur.
I was going to wonder if
Good?
you're taking a picture of me. That's the kind, remember you used to get at Disney World and you'd walk around with that big chunk of,
Chicken bone.
I don't remember.
what did they call you? We had,
It's a
remember?
barbecue turkey. leg.
Barbecue turkey leg. Honest to God, it was huge.
And what do they do with the rest of the turkey?
I know, they just sold the turkey legs.
Discarded it.
You and Margaret had one.
Yeah, I remember.
You would like that?
Yub, yub.
What's Daddy doing to you?
That's what the Ewoks said.
Jub, jub.
Jub, jub.
You hear the
Get any
music,
meat
Josie?
off?
You're gonna watch fireworks tonight.
Are there fireworks tonight?
He's going to be sleeping.
Wow.
You're gonna be flashing through your room.
Do they do fireworks the night before? I know they. That's
Oh,
when
you know,
they
I
put on a
think
concert.
today's
'cause
the
they're
Yeah.
rehearsing.
You're a day early.
I know.
Yeah, but I don't know if they do the fireworks.
So did Bill. We both, you know, I'm thinking today's
think I'll
4th
be-
of July.
You guys can be watching tomorrow, but Joseph's gonna be sick.
You're a day
Lose
early.
track of time when you know, when you
You wanna go
don't
up on
have
the
to
roof and
look
watch
at your
the
calendar every day. Watch the news for 2
I
weeks.
don't want that on the calendar either. Clap, clap. What?
Want some
I
of
heard
this?
you can see them on the top of Peter's Hill too.
Mm-hmm.